Guys, welcome to my channel. So in this video, I'm going to share the experience of Capgemini interview for 4.25 LPA. Okay, so in this video, I'm going to share all the things. What of the number of questions are asked in the interview, and the timing of the interview is mentioned here, that is 20 minutes, and the candidate is selected. Okay, so let's start with the next slide, that is the questions. Okay. So first question is, as usual in every interview, the interviewer asks give the self introduction. Okay. So in this interview also, the interviewer has asked give the self introduction. Then the second question was, tell me about your projects. So projects are very important part of the every interview. So here interviewer asked me that tell your projects, what are your projects. After that he was asking what are the Java features, because I have mentioned that I have done the project in Java. So next, he asked me difference between Python and Java. As I have mentioned in my resume, Java and Python as the skills. So he was asking me what are the difference between Python and Java. After that, he asked me what is the Java virtual machine, that is JVM, and I have given answer appropriately. Then the next question was what is inheritance. So now the oops concept starts from here only. Then I have tell what is inheritance. Then he asked me about storage area. So there are three types of storage area, that is stack and the heap memory. These are the storage classes for storing the data in the phone. Okay. So next one is primitive and non-primitive data types. So primitive and non-primitive data types are totally eight data types. In that, primitive are like integer, long, byte, short, and non-primitive are like the objects and the enum. These are the non-primitive, and so string is one of the non-primitive data type. The next is what is array. So these are the very simple questions, guys, and this like for me this interview was very simple and easy one. Okay, so I have tell what is array. So basically we have to say what is array, what is advantages of array. After that he was asking me what are the advantages of array. Okay, then the next question are multi-threading. So he asked me what is a multi-threading. So you know what is multi-threading. It is an simultaneous process where the three threads are occurring or running simultaneously. Then what is the difference between system dot in and system dot out? So these are the very basic knowledge he was checking for me at least. Okay, because you know what is dot system dot in, what is system dot out. These are the very simple terms. Then 13th question was what is the difference between break and continue. So whenever we want to terminate the loop, we use the break keyword, and whenever we want to just skip the current iteration, we use continue keyword. What is difference between printf and println? So whenever we want to print something on the same line, then at the time we use printf, and whenever we want to print something on the new line, at the time we use println. Then hash symbol in Python, for commenting something we use hash symbol, as we know. So he was checking I have some knowledge of Python or not. And single slash and double slash, so here it is a divisor operator, and it is also divisor operator, where it will give as a whole number, and it will give just the round number. It will give in a point. Okay, then situation based question he asked. He was asking me like, if you did any mistake, then how will you handle that. So I have tell all the convincing answer, like yes sir, I will first accept the mistake, then I will try to solve it, and all the things. So this is the question. Then 18th question is ask the question. So I have asked her what is your experience in this Capgemini company. So he was like, yeah, it is very good. And after that he said me, when you will come here and you will experience that experience. Okay, so at that time only I got to know that I am selected, because he said will will we meet in Capgemini? So that was her last comment for me. So I got here that I'm selected. So this is the overall experience of my Capgemini interview process, and for me this interview went very well and very easy. Okay, if you like the video, guys, please hit the like button and comment for more videos. Thank you. Bye bye.